Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign into Byline Bank account online. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in www.bylinebank.com. After you come across this official page, scroll down your screen and click on Personal Banking option. Here, you'll have to enter your user ID associated with your account. If you do not remember your user ID, then click on Forgot your user ID link. Also, if you do not have an account yet, then you can click on Sign Up link. Then tap on Continue button. After that, follow through the prompts and fill in the information that is required in order to log in. And that is how you can sign into Byline Bank account online. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.